Hi, Magenta Otter in the kitchen again, this time with a tutorial on how to make roasted vegetables. I'm not really calling it a recipe because the beauty of roasted vegetables is that you can use almost any vegetable to roast. And in my experience, every vegetable tastes like a million times better when you've roasted it. Because let's be honest, we know vegetables are really healthy and we should be eating them, but not all vegetables are yummy. Hello, Brussels sprouts. Yeah, I'm talking about you, cauliflower. But then when you discover how great they are roasted, they become yummy and you kind of are now happy to eat them. So I'm going to show you our approach to roasting vegetables, and hopefully that will make you want to roast some more vegetables and increase your vegetable consumption, as well as maybe hit the like button on this video. To make roasted vegetables, you should prepare a couple large baking sheets, and if you want to have easy cleanup, line them in foil, and then get yourself some cooking spray if you want to use that to grease the foil. Otherwise you can just use extra olive oil, and then olive oil to put on the vegetables, and then our favorite is garlic salt. It's good on almost all vegetables and just makes it really easy, and Lawry's is our favorite brand. So we have here a couple pans of some vegetables that we're cooking for tonight, but as you'll see in the description, I've provided cook times and suggestions for a variety of vegetables because there's really so many different kinds of vegetables that roast up great and taste delicious. We want to drizzle with our olive oil drizzler across all the vegetables, then mix them up a little bit so that they're evenly covered in the olive oil. Then our Lawry's garlic salt, sprinkle over everything. So we have here bell peppers, broccoli, and mushrooms. Like I said, there's a lot of different things you can do. And what's really great with broccoli and a lot of vegetables, zucchini, cauliflower, is in the last 5 minutes or so of cooking to sprinkle Parmesan cheese on and put it back in the oven. It's so delicious. If you have convect on your oven, it's a great idea to cook the vegetables on 400 degrees convect. If you don't have convect setting, just use bake at 400 and rotate your pans and stir the vegetables so that they are evenly cooked. And here are the delicious roasted vegetables after they've come out of the oven.